Hi everyone, how are you doing? Kamal here and I welcome you all to the hands-on video of Windows 10 build 11102, the build that Microsoft has pushed to Windows insiders in fast string. The build is one of the builds from the Redstone branch RS1 and the upgrade to this build was quite smooth. So there were no hiccups, no issues and it downloaded and installed it in a comfortable manner. Microsoft released build 11099 before this build. So this is the second build from the Redstone that has arrived for Windows Insiders. So while there are not many features which are new or changes which are new in this build, Microsoft has introduced one change, and that is in Microsoft Edge, the browser. So we will see that change which has been brought by this build. But one thing that you can notice very clearly here is how the build string. So you can see now the build string has grown, it has become larger. So here you can see that now it reads evaluation copy build then dot rs1 release 160113. So this is the date. So this build has been compiled on 13th of January and rs1 is for Redstone 1. So Microsoft has just made it bigger. So perhaps to give you an idea of the date and the build branch, etc. Anyways, so I think this was present on even the build what 11099, but we did not. We did not mention that because uh, there were no changes in that build, so perhaps we missed on mentioning it. But now coming to this build, we will go to the change that Microsoft has mentioned that this build brings. So what happened that now you can actually right click on here. So both the back and forward button, you can right click on them and you can choose the pages. So this is one change that has arrived. So here also you can just do it and go back or forward. So this feature is usually present on all the modern or alternative browsers. So it's good that Microsoft has brought it on onto Windows 10 with this build, Redstone build. So there are still some major features of Redstone not coming. They may take some more time. One of the feature that everybody is waiting for are extensions. So extensions are still not available, but you hope that they will arrive soon. So if you ask us about how the build behaves, so this build is pretty okay. Till now we have not faced any major issues in navigation, etc. It works quite good, very well. We'll see how the store looks like. So there were many updates. One of the update was there for store, but it looks like a minor update. So I think if we just talk about normal navigation, then I don't think there are many issues with this. We will check the tablet mode once. It's okay. I think we can go to settings. So even if like we usually think that if a new build arrives, then there are some issues with usually some kind of somewhere it's broken. So there are some known issues with this build, especially for gamers. There can be some issues. Apart from that, if for normal navigation purposes or normal working with this build, we did not see many issues till now, but we are still in the very early stage of the hands-on with the build. So it's better to give some idea or some opinion after playing with the build for maybe some days. So if you talk about initial impressions, it's good. The build is quite smooth. We have checked actually, and we could see that most of the things work fine, flawlessly. So from Cortana to everything, I mean, in my opinion or in my hands on, it has been okay. You could you have also seen the new feature that this build brings. So with this, we come to end of this video. Stay tuned for more, and maybe if you found any issue or any major uh, detail about this build, after some days we will share with you in next video. So stay tuned till that and keep watching. Thanks.